talk about the other opposition parties and another poll-bound state, which is of West Bengal, because there has been a dramatic escalation, a warning that is now coming from the TMC top gun, saying that as far as the SIR exercise is concerned, if implemented in the state of West Bengal, then they will go ahead to gherao the Election Commission of India. This threat is coming in from Abhishek Banerjee, who's gone after the ECI too, saying that they will gherao the ECI, saying that even if one name from West Bengal is deleted, then they will lead 1 lakh people to Delhi, and this dare that has now been given. And we've seen the kind of open threats and dhamkis that have been given by the leaders of the Vipaksh in particular to a constitutional body like the Election Commission of India. Open threats saying that unhe hum dekh lenge, and this time this threat is coming in from the TMC, suggesting that even if one name from the voter list in Bengal is deleted, then they will lead 1 lakh people and will gherao and will attempt to gherao the Election Commission of India. However, when it comes to the demands and proceedings against the former the CEC himself, Abhishek Banerjee seems to be escalating the SIR fight to New Delhi. Let's listen in.
जो हुआ दिल्ली में लोकतांत्रिक तरीके से, शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से 300 सांसद ऑपोजिशन के, और इनमें बहुत सारे महिला सांसद भी थे, इनको जिस तरीके से दिल्ली पुलिस ने धक्का दिया, इनके साथ बर्ताव किया, इनको रोका, ये स्पष्ट दिखाता है, दर्शाता है कि इलेक्शन कमीशन, चुनाव आयोग डरा हुआ है। इनके पास हमारे सवाल के कोई जवाब नहीं है। अगर आपके पास जवाब है तो आप दो भाई, कि एक ही एपिक नंबर पे गुजरात में और बंगाल में वोटर कैसे है, एक ही नाम पे अलग अलग 10 पोलिंग स्टेशन में वोटर कैसे है, एक ही एड्रेस पे 5 बाई 10 स्क्वायर फीट एक मकान में 100 वोटर कैसे रह सकते हैं, जिनका कोई अता पता, कोई एग्जिस्टेंस नहीं है। और इलेक्शन कमीशन अगर कह रहा है कि वोटर लिस्ट में गलती है, ऑपोजिशन के सारी पार्टी कह रहा है कि एसआईआर नहीं होना चाहिए। मैं इलेक्शन कमीशन को कहूंगा कि चलिए, मैं मानता हूं आप सही कह रहे हो, तो पहला तरीका क्या होना चाहिए, पहला स्टेप क्या होना चाहिए, इसी इलेक्टोरल रोल और वोटर लिस्ट के आधार पे देश का प्रधानमंत्री चुना गया है 1 साल पहले। इसी वोटर लिस्ट और इलेक्टोरल रोल के आधार पर बीजेपी के 240 सांसद चुने गए हैं। इसी वोटर लिस्ट के आधार पे देश के गृह मंत्री चुने गए हैं। इसी वोटर लिस्ट के आधार पे देश के स्वास्थ्य मंत्री चुने गए हैं, रक्षा मंत्री चुने गए हैं। इसी वोटर लिस्ट के आधार पे जो इलेक्शन कमीशन कह रहा है जिसमें फेक वोटर है, इसी वोटर लिस्ट के आधार पर यही सांसद जो चुने गए हैं वो आने वाले दिन में राष्ट्रपति चुनेंगे, उपराष्ट्रपति चुनेंगे। तो पहला कदम चुनाव आयोग का ये होना चाहिए।
Well, this call seems to be coming from Abhishek Banerjee himself, who rather seems to be now advocating the idea of holding general elections altogether. He seems to be invoking the idea that let us all resign and let there be elections. Ridhita is connected with us. Ridhita, for the time being, help us understand and clarify who exactly is leading this fight of this anti-SIR call. Is it Rahul Gandhi from the Congress? Is it Abhishek Banerjee from the TMC? And has this issue actually united the opposition?
Absolutely. As you see that yesterday's protest by the opposition outside the parliament in reaction to the SIR, which is going to be implemented, the question now lies that who is initiating this? Is it Abhishek Banerjee or is it Rahul Gandhi? But as you see in Bengal upturning its politics and not letting SIR happen repeatedly, the supremo of the party, Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee, the General Secretary, has mentioned that they will not let SIR happen. And clearly addressing to the press today, Abhishek Banerjee has stated that if one person's name is eliminated from the list, then EC gherao will be taking place, which is a direct threat that he has put on to the Election Commission in direct, and he has also questioned on the eliminations or the names which have been added. They have blamed completely BJP, stating that it cannot be Gujarat's voter list is correct and Bengal's voter list is incorrect. And if that is so, if the Election Commission is finding that this entire electoral poll is incorrect, then the Prime Minister should resign himself and dissolution of the Lok Sabha should happen. Abhishek Banerjee has also claimed that he is ready to resign from the position if the office position, if the Lok Sabha is dissolved, only if Election Commission finds...
Dhamkis continue as far as multiple leaders seem to be spearheading the anti-ECI campaign. Thank you, Hridita, for that update. And